Hello friends, my name is Amita Ghosh and you are watching Asatoma Satgamaya, and this is my very first video for you all. I've always had a strong passion for learning, and since last couple of years I have been studying deeply about the various aspects of life, the metaphysical aspects of life, how energy works and how we can transform ourselves to become the best version of ourselves. And I just thought that why not share my views, ideas, realizations with all of you so that we can navigate through our journey together and make it all the more beautiful. And whatever little knowledge that I've gained in these last couple of years, I just want to share everything with you. And even if one single person is benefited by my videos, then I'll feel so blessed and I'll feel that the purpose of my making this video series has been fulfilled. I hope you like it, and I thought that I'll start my first episode with the high vibrational emotion of gratitude, one of my favorite emotions. And according to me, gratitude is just not saying thank you to the other person who has done you some favor, like he'll feel good, you'll feel good, and that's it. No, there is much more to it, although that is also very important. But I feel that gratitude is a feeling of goodness, of appreciation for every single thing, every single circumstance that we come across in our lives. Every single challenging times, every single hard times, I include that also, because I feel that nothing is either good or bad, right or wrong. It's only what we have to say about that particular event or situation. And everything happens for a reason, and everything happens to teach us something or the other, and we can always choose to look at the brighter side of everything. That is always our choice. Friends, I want to share a beautiful story with you, which when I had heard for the first time, it just reinforced my belief on the power of gratitude. So I thought I'll just share it with you. And the story goes like this. Like there was a blind child sitting across the street with a bowl and with a piece of paper in which he had written that he was blind and he needed money. And as the people were passing by, no one was paying any attention to that boy, and his bowl had only a few coins. And then a gentleman passed and he just read that piece of paper. He put some money in the bowl and he replaced that piece of paper with another paper in which he wrote something. And in the evening, when the boy returned home, he was surprised to see that his bowl was full of money, and which never happened earlier. And he was just wondering what exactly had happened when his friend told him that there was a gentleman who replaced that piece of paper with another paper, and he read it aloud, and it was written that it's a beautiful day but I cannot see it. This single sentence infused a deep sense of gratitude in the hearts of the people reading that paper. The gratitude for their eyes, because of which they are able to see the beautiful world, which otherwise they just took for granted. Friends, we take so many of our life's blessings just for granted. Our healthy body is such a great blessing for us, but we hardly acknowledge it. Now you can ask, why should I be grateful when nothing in my life goes the way I want it to? Well, friends, the quality of energy that you are radiating most of the time will attract to itself similar frequency of energy. And gratitude is a very powerful positive energy, and it will draw towards itself similar frequency of energy, which will manifest itself as positive, happy circumstances, events, helpful people. While on the other hand, if you are always complaining and nagging, then obviously you will attract negative energy, and which will manifest as negative circumstances and obstacles in your life. Where attention goes, energy flows. And as we focus on the appreciative or positive side of anything, then automatically we start feeling good from inside and our overall vibration rises. Let me share some scientific data with you. Emily Fletcher, the founder of Ziva, the meditation site, she has mentioned in one of her publications that practicing gratitude acts as a natural antidepressant. Like when we practice gratitude, our brain releases two very important neurotransmitters, serotonin and dopamine, which make us feel happy and elated from inside. The world famous doctor, Dr. Deepak Chopra, had conducted a study on the effect of gratitude on the recovery of heart patients. In this study, the patients were asked to keep a gratitude journal for 8 weeks, and they were asked to write 3 things about which they were grateful for. And these patients were compared to another set of patients who were given the normal medications and nothing else. And by the end of 8 weeks, it was found that the patients who had kept the gratitude journal showed improved heart rate variability, which is a measure of reduced cardiac risk. So, see friends, what effect this gratitude has on our overall health. Metaphysics tells us that everything in this universe is energy. Every single moment, each one of us is radiating energy, whether we know it or not, feel it or not, or whether we want to acknowledge it or not. But this is the fact, and as our energy changes, our reality changes. It's as simple as that. And it's just our focus that matters. If we focus on the appreciative and positive aspects of anything, then automatically our overall vibration, our overall energy will rise, and we will attract to us more things that we can be grateful for, more things we can be appreciative of. Don't ever think whether your cup is half full or half empty. Just rejoice in the fact that at least you have a cup, and there's always light at the end of the tunnel, and it's only and only our focus that matters, and that creates our reality. And as for me, I've been practicing gratitude for quite some time now, and whenever I write down something to be grateful for, it automatically just raises my vibrations, and it has just worked wonders for me. That's why I thought I will share this with you. It really works wonders. Always remember, you are in the driver's seat. You are creating your reality moment by moment, and it is always our choice what we want to think. Friends, one thing is for sure, that the universe just loves grateful people. And sometimes we just make our life so complicated by just focusing on the negative aspect of everything, that we just forget to feel the essence of the goodness of life. Today, let's create some beautiful moments of gratitude. And if you get some spare time today, just sit by yourself for a few moments and just feel the feeling of gratitude, maybe for the smallest thing that you're grateful for, and just see the magic unfold within you. And just let me know in the comments below how you felt after that. Let our spiritual journey continue. I'll be back with you soon with another video. Until then, stay blessed.